Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to limit cash on delivery based on discount in your Shopify store. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to your Shopify admin panel. Then go to the discount section. So here I have already made a free shipping discount code. Now we will go to the Next Advanced Cash on Delivery app. Then click on Limit Cash on Delivery Configure button. Then enable this global rules for cash on delivery and you can select your cash on delivery payment method. And if you have already set up a cash on delivery fee using this Advanced Cash on Delivery app, then you can just toggle on this button and select your delivery method. Then click on Discount section. So then enable restrict based on discount applied. So you can just select hide COD when any discount applied. And if you want to restrict based on discount amount, you can also toggle on this and you can select hide COD based on discount amount and you can select the condition as well. For example, then greater than in discount amount 500. Then save your changes. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to the catalog and you can add any product to your cart and proceed to checkout and enter the test address. And now I will enter the discount code here. So here you can see cash on delivery is not available. Only prepaid options are available as we have already made a rule in Advanced Cash on Delivery app that hides COD when any discount is applied. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to limit COD based on discounts in your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.